Elevate your craftsmanship with the Tooltos Ultrasonic grinding and polishing machine. Precision and efficiency redefined. Our machine adopts advanced ultrasonic technology, adjustable high frequency or low frequency control, vibration frequency. Designed for versatility, the Tooltos machine excels in grinding, polishing, filling grit holes, cutting, and engraving, making it an indispensable tool for jewelry artisans. Engineered for performance, the machine operates at a voltage of 110V/220V with a frequency of 50/60 Hz. Its compact design and lightweight build ensure ease of use, without compromising power. Each Tooltos machine comes complete with an accessory toolkit, grinding handle, and wrenches, providing everything you need to start creating immediately. Operational steps. 1. Connect the power supply. 2. Connect the grinding handle. 3. Install the drilling needle. 4. Turn on the power switch. 5. Control of handle work by foot pedal. You can engrave a pattern on a copper plate. Elevate your artistry with the precision and efficiency of the Tooltos Ultrasonic grinding and polishing machine. Visit tooltos.com to order yours today.